Want to factory reset your Vizio TV? In this video, I will show you the easiest way to reset your Vizio TV to factory settings. Step by step, let's get started then. Before you reset your Vizio TV, a factory reset will remove saved Wi-Fi network and password, install or configured apps, picture and sound settings, personalized TV settings, other saved preferences. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password available before starting. Method is factory reset through the TV menu. Turn on your Vizio TV. Turn on the TV and make sure you have two Vizio remote available. Second one is open the menu. Press the menu button on your Vizio remote. Depending on your Vizio model, you may see options such as system, admin and privacy, or reset and admin. Third one is find the reset options. Look for one of these menu pass, system and go for reset and admin, or admin and privacy, then choose reset to factory settings. The wording can vary depending on Vizio TV model and software version. Step 4 is select factory reset. Choose reset TV to factory default or similar name options such as a reset to factory settings. Fifth one is enter the pin. Your TV may ask for parental control or system pin. If you never changed the pin, the default may be 0000. If you previously created different pin, enter the pin instead. Sixth one is confirm the reset. The TV will display a warning that your setting and saved information will be erased. Select reset or yes to continue. Seventh one is wait for the TV to restart. The TV may turn off and restart automatically. Do not unplug the TV while the reset in progress. The process may take several minutes. Eighth one is complete the initial setup. After the reset, you will see the TV setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Accept it required terms. Sign in to your Vizio account or other services if requested. Set up your TV preferences. Reinstall or configure your apps. If you can't find the factory reset option, Vizio has released many different TV models and the menu structure is not identical on all of them. If you don't see reset and admin, look under system, admin and privacy, and reset and admin, system information and device settings. If you give me an exact Vizio TV model number, I can provide the exact button by button factory reset procedure for the model, including what to do if the TV can't connect Wi-Fi.